Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. Make sure your Apple ID is signed in and FaceTime is enabled. This gives the service authorization to call. Once done, check that you're on Wi-Fi or cellular with good signal so video stays smooth. Then open the FaceTime app, tap the plus button, type the contact's phone number or email, and press the video camera icon to place the call. This immediate action connects you and initiates camera and microphone permissions quickly, so you can start talking. Once connected, you need to manage in-call controls so the conversation stays clear. Tap the screen to reveal mute, flip camera, and speaker options. Mute when you're not speaking to reduce background noise. If you want a visual change, tap effects or portrait mode to blur the background. This focuses attention on you. Make sure you know how to switch devices. Accept the call on another Apple device signed into the same Apple ID, and FaceTime transfers the session without dropping the call. To finish, press the red hang up button. Always be polite and confirm any recordings or screenshots with the other person before ending. If video or audio drops, first toggle FaceTime off and back on in settings, then restart your device. This clears temporary permission or network glitches. If problems persist, check your Apple ID status, install any system updates, or switch to a faster Wi-Fi network with lower latency. That single troubleshooting step, restart and reauthorize FaceTime, resolves most.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.